Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Forky from Toy Story. I hope I'm right in drawing this cute little character for you because when I first saw it I felt it was just so cute and funny, and hopefully you think so too and you'll want to give it a try. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw Forky, we're going to first start by drawing his eyes. So let's come right here and draw one big circle. From there, we're going to come next to this big circle and draw a smaller circle right next to it. So about right here. And have fun with this drawing. It doesn't matter. It's such a silly character, right? You can have him up this eye a little bit higher or even smaller. It's all up to you. And so then let's come inside right here. We're going to draw another circle. And so same thing with this part. You can have him cross-eyed, however you like. So we're going to come in here with a smaller circle for a highlight, and I'm just going to shade this part in. So change it up as you see how you want your Forky to be. Okay, so then right here I'm going to do the same thing, so smaller inside, and once again another highlight and shade it in. There. So then from there, let's come to the top of these eyes and we're going to draw his brow. So once again, have fun with this part. You can make it really crazy and wobbly if you want, but I'm just going to do a really simple one, just a curve over the eye, and let's round it off and connect it. And then for the mouth, let's come right under. And we're going to start with a curve first, kind of lopsided a little bit, and then let's come right here and we're going to start to thicken it. So let's come up like that, and then we're going to come in with a curve to give him a smile. Just stop it about right there, and then this part we're going to curve it around and just follow our curve all the way back. There. Now to draw his fork head. So let's come really close to the brow on both sides. I'm just going to give myself a point. So it's about right there. And from there, I'm just going to go up above his brow. Say about that much. I'm going to draw the first point. So come down. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So about right there, and come down. Now to make it easier on myself, I'm going to find the center of this. I'm just going to give myself a point right in the center, and then from there I'm just going to draw two these angles and connect it. So if you feel more comfortable, you can start with this part first in the head and then put in his eyes and mouth. It's all up to you. See what's more comfortable for you. So then from there, let's come and bring this curve down. And the same thing on the other side. And let's see here. Now we're going to start to build the bottom. So we're going to get close to his mouth. And we're just going to come in right about here. Bring this curve in under his mouth. So there. So now they're both about the same level towards the center. And let's curve it down for his neck, for the handle of the fork. And we're going to come straight down. There. My curve right there. Okay, so now let's come, so I'm going to give him a little short neck, and about right here I'm going to start to draw his what do you call those, his hands, and they're pipe cleaners, right? So about right here I'm going to start, and I'm going to draw a curve that comes across, and I'm going to round this off and thicken it. So notice I'm just stopping a little bit beyond that line, And then I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So it's kind of like a cross and pop it out. And it's going to come through and curve. So then we're going to continue this line down. Same thing. Continue it down. Let's see how tall you want your Forky to be. So I'm not going to make him too tall because I want him cute, right? So I'm just going to make him kind of short. Say about right there, I'll stop, and then I'm just going to draw a curve, a wavy curve like that. And this is going to be the beginning, I think, of the putty that connects his popsicle legs to him, right? So I'm going to come out right here and pop out an angle. And let's come and bring this in on both sides. And let's connect it towards the center. Gonna angle it down and back up. There. So now we have the putty part in. Now to draw his feet. So for his popsicle feet, we're just gonna come to the center. Just remember the center right here. And let's come out right there and here. So we're gonna pop out a big curve that comes back. So angle it out. Curve it around towards this point and in. So same exact thing here. So we'll start over here so I can see a little bit better. So I just want to make sure I'm about the same level. And connect. So let's come in here for some details. I'm going to thicken this popsicle stick to give it some volume. So I'm just going to come in here and follow my bottom line. And same thing here. There. And then let's come in here and draw his hands, his awesome hands. So have fun with this part as well. You can make it however you like, go up or right across. It's all up to you. We're going to start right here with the pipe cleaner's cross, and we're going to come down. So if you want to follow mine, just come down, and we're just going to make it about the same thickness as that. And I'm just going to wiggle mine out. So let's continue this. I'm just going to follow. And about right there, I'm going to start to draw his hand. So it's just 3 curves. So let's come out with 1, 2, and 3, and back. And now to give it the details, just come in here, say start about right here. We're just going to draw a curve out, bring a curve in here, and then another line right here. Okay, so now the other hand. This one, I'm just saying, I'm going to go a little bit higher. Just mix it up a little bit. So I'm just going to curve it and curve. And I'm going to follow my top. Same thing, and just draw our 3. 1, 2, and 3. And once again, come in here with your lines. Because it's pipe cleaners, right? This is just an easier way. Like going into too many details, and just draw some lines inside. And so then for some more details on the fork, I'm going to very lightly give it a edge. So I'm just going to continue that line, and come straight down, and same thing here. Give it some detail, and a circle right here, and I'm going to put 2 more right here. And let's see here. Oh, and of course, this little rainbow that's on his popsicle stick. So I'm going to do it at a slant. So I'm going to angle, curve, angle, and then just connect it with a big curve. And then when you're coloring it, just give it the bands of color. I don't want to muddle it up with my Sharpie. And of course, I have to add a heart right here. So now it's my Draw So Cute Forky from Toy Story 4. So there, I hope you guys love this cute little plastic fork from Toy Story, and I've inspired you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.